Sometimes we disrupt conversations by accident, and questions are often at the centre of the problem. We ask a question and the other person starts to wonder about our motives. "That's a nice tie. Why did you choose blue? When did you decide to update the project budget? How do you think the board will feel about that?" Sometimes it's the tone of the question. Sometimes it's bad timing. Sometimes people are already feeling uncomfortable on the topic and the question accidentally brings that to the surface. Much of the time, we can avoid those accidental upsets by not resorting to questions in the first place. And here are 4 ways to do just that. Using an instruction seems to get people talking. It's actually something that therapists do, and it seems to work well for them because the client doesn't have the chance to feel accused or judged. Responding to people with empathy tells them that we've really taken in what they've said, and that we're ready for more. Interestingly, it also tends to stop them from repeating themselves because they realise that we've already taken them seriously, and that they don't need to say it all again. Assertive feedback is a powerful way of expressing our position on something. And it also seems to have the effect of prompting spontaneous responses. And lastly, because. It's not just another word, it's an irresistible, unthreatening invitation that encourages a person to explain their thinking. It's especially handy when they have made a strong statement that we want them to explain. Maybe because we suspect that they haven't really thought it through. And one last thing. These 4 devices must be used in the spirit of helping. What I mean is, use them to remove an unintended threat, rather than to hide a threatening intention. I'm Furey, and that was 4 things that work better than questions.